Hello, this is Python Pyro. Today I will write code that will make Putin withdraw troops from the territory of Ukraine. Just kidding. Today we will be parsing the most clownish people from the comments. Seriously, I will write code that will select people whose comments under channel posts have the highest number of clown emojis. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also write a clown emoji in the comments. For parsing, I will use a user bot and the Pyrogram library. I've chosen a small Ukrainian news channel called Novinach, where users actively use emojis in comments. I'll import the message ID invalid error from Pyrogram, which may occur during the process. Also, I'll import default dict from collections. In the clowns dictionary, I will store the list of users and the total number of reactions they received for their comments. I will symbolically name the command to activate the parser clown. I create a variable chat with the channel's username. Please note, this is the channel, not a chat group. The getChatHistory method returns an asynchronous generator containing messages. I will iterate through it using the async for loop, setting the desired limit. I will get the post IDs of the channel, under which the bot will collect comments. Before processing each post, I'll set a 1-second delay to avoid sending too many requests, as Telegram may temporarily restrict requests. Before processing channel posts, I'll create a try except block to filter out non-existent or deleted posts. After that, using the getDiscussionReplies method, where I pass the channel ID and message ID, I'll iterate through the asynchronous generator, processing user comments. If the user's comment has reactions, we will continue working with it. Note that the reactions attribute of the message object is a special object that contains a list of reactions type objects. These objects have emoji and count attributes. It may sound complicated, but look at the code and it will become clearer. So, if the user is not yet in our dict, we will add their name to our dataset, and then the reactions and their quantities. Emoji is the key, count is the value. Note that thanks to the default dict type, we can work directly with nested keys without getting a key error. Otherwise, if the user is already in the dictionary, I will check if they have such a reaction. If not, I will simply add the emoji and their quantity. If yes, I will add the count from the processed message to the existing reaction count using the += operator. I'll add some messages to track the code's operation. Then, I'll work with the ready list using a for loop. First, I'll sort the values using a lambda function based on the number of clown emojis. I'll put a minus sign before the function content to sort from a higher value to a lower one. I run the code, and immediately I see an error. I forgot to specify the ID attribute and accidentally passed the message object instead of int. Now I run it again and see that I wrote the loop incorrectly. It is inside another loop and prematurely outputs information. On the third attempt, everything worked. The only thing I don't like is that the output for skipped messages is too large. I'll make it more compact. And to make the code run faster, I'll only add a delay if the message is not skipped. Now, the final run. And I see that everything works as it should. We have identified the most trolled user in the comments, but you can also determine the top users based on other reactions. Special thanks if you made it to the end. Like and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more exciting content ahead.